guys coming to you from LA today. We're shooting with Brooklyn, who Peter has shot with on a workshop only once, but he's never shot with her one-on-one. We're in this absolutely amazing house up in the hills, but Peter doesn't want the house to take over the shot. He wants to make Brooklyn like the center of attention. So he's just going to walk her around here, find some lighting and see what he can get.
So we're in this amazing place. I'm here with Brooklyn. First time I've been here up in the Hollywood Hills. The view is incredible. It's a little bit like a visual vomit. There's just so many things I want to shoot here, and I've really got a tunnel vision into the actual shots I want to do. I want to feature Brooklyn. I don't want to so much feature this place, but I just got to find good lighting for us to work within this area. So I'm just going to wander around and find lighting and shoot it and try and explain what I'm thinking while I'm shooting it. While we've got full sun, nothing's going to change outside, and the angle of the sun's getting a really good bounce off the tiles, and it's also getting some bounce off some of the furniture. So I might do the outside shots first because I want to try and get some of the city in the background. And I'm going to play around with Brooklyn to find the best lighting to be able to get a really cool shot of her, as well as get the background in shot. Now, I am going to have problems with flaring, and I am going to blow out some of the stuff in the background. There's not much I can do with it unless I bring lighting in onto Brooklyn from the front, and I don't actually want to do that. So let's see what we can find. My thinking is to try and get some bounce back onto Brooklyn from this furniture, and that's sort of lighting her too much. Do you want to take another step that way? Right, I'm still getting some weird sun coming from somewhere, sort of reflection. Let's come this way. No, now it's all sun. Do you want to come along a touch more? Where's that light coming from? Oh, it's coming from behind you. Oh, there it is. Just sort of come around this corner a fraction. Perfect. Cool. So now I've got really pretty light on her. I've killed that light that was annoying me. Just come off the wall a touch. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. A problem with this is I think the background's going to blow it out still way too much. Cool. And I won't get enough light on you for what I want. That's really pretty. Cool. Stunning, stunning. I can do better. So I'm just going to keep finding my way along and trying to get a nice light. So maybe just in there. And all I'm trying to do is wherever her shadow is, I'm trying to get online with that shadow because that means the sun's behind her. Cool, cool. Cool. So I'm burning off the top of her hair and just cooking her shoulders, but I don't mind it. So look, I quite like. It's better, but I think it'll still get better than that. We're getting there. Well, I'm still not happy.
Okay.
I think there's a nice bounce that we're getting off the furniture. So now I need to get something special out of Brooklyn. She's got amazing eyes, but I want more than just amazing eyes. So I have found a trick with her. She does love her dogs. Mm-hmm. You can see her face change straight away. So just that whole, that's really pretty. That's stunning, stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. That's really pretty. Cool, 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 cool. That's nice, that's really nice. Let's move along. I'm liking but not loving yet. So your shadow's gonna come this way to me. Are you gonna be happy just sitting there? Well, that's cool, that's really pretty. I think this is cool. See how more comfortable this is? Mm-hmm. So, if you feel more comfortable, you're going to look more comfortable. It's that simple. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning. So just trying to find your eyes. There we go. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. Cool. Nice, nice. That's really pretty there. Cool. Beautiful. Stunning. I like that a lot. Cool. Beautiful. Just stay there. Stunning. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Beautiful there. Nice, nice, nice. We'll do a couple more back up there, I think. What's more important, the scenery behind you or you?
Me.
Cool. Cool. This is really pretty. Is this how you always move? Or is this a little bit more after the workshop?
After the workshop.
Yeah, so see this beautiful flow in you now, which is really, really nice.
I'm trying.
No, you don't need, as long as you understand, there's such a much prettiness about a natural flow. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, that's really pretty. Yeah, cool. Beautiful. Nice. See, now I can slow down. I don't need to click all the time with you now. So I've done with the harsh stuff. And again, this is more featuring this beautiful scenery. And for me, I took a shot before. I'll put you up now. I just took a picture of the scenery and I don't need a model in it. Now we'll go in and get some beautiful light.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to move you around pretty much based on the light. So if you go back just a tiny bit, that's gorgeous. Yeah, it's just so much nicer. Let's see if we can get it better. So why I'm doing this is at the moment, just chin up a bit, chin down, lower. Right, so my uplight's a little bit too strong on her. Let's come over here. And the model can't see what's happening on her face, so if I have to lift your chin up or drop it too low, it's unnatural, I won't get a great shot. So I'm better off finding better light. Well, that's quite pretty. Let's see what I get there. That's really cool. Yeah, so my thinking now is stunning, gorgeous portrait shots. And the light's so pretty on her eyes. Do you like the feel of that?
That's really pretty. Yeah.
That's really pretty?
Yeah.
All right, so that's more where I'm going to go.
Okay.
So all I'm doing is, if I work with the models are always happier if they've got a good say in how the picture's going to be. Cool, that's a bit too high. Nice. There, good. That's really pretty. Cool, so I want to slow her down a bit. Let's get her on a couch or a chair. In fact, this is much nicer. The light is absolutely to die for. It's really pretty. Cool. Just going to try different angles. I think there's even better. I think that glow I got onto her face in here, that's stunning. That's really pretty. All right, so I want you to slow down now.
Okay, slow.
Just,
Okay.
yeah. You happy with what you're wearing or you want to do a change?
We can do a change. I don't have anything like.
Nothing that's comfortable, just lounging?
Yeah, I can. I can put on like jeans. And
I think that might work better. So now we've got the model comfy. I like the sweats anyway, so I don't care. It actually really suits this look. My God, the glow on your skin there is gorgeous. Right. Yeah, cool. That's really pretty. I'm just trying to get the glowiest skin I can off you. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Yeah, just get super comfy. Do you think that's better? All the killer pictures of people like Candace and that are normally more loungy. Cool. That's really pretty. So now, yeah, try and just channel the eyes. And cool, that's really pretty. So who are you looking at?
the camera.
No.
Oh.
Where are you? Who are you looking at? It can't be, you've got to be in your favourite place. Looking at who you want to be looking at. Does that make sense? A camera gives you camera face, but if you're looking at your dogs or you're looking at Justin Bieber, oh no, you're into country and western. You're looking at Keith Urban. Cool, that's much better. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
If you start looking at who you want to look at, cool, that's really pretty. And how you would look at them, cool. And try and then use your eyes to tell a story cool, that's really pretty. Yeah, the more natural you can feel, the better your face will look. Because it'll be so natural to who you are, cool. Where it's really hard is I'm most likely so different to the photographers you're used to working. I just want freestyle. They want to go hold, do this, don't they? Whereas I just want, the more natural you can be, the better my pictures are going to be. And this light is so pretty on you. Cool. So you now need to milk this. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, that's really pretty. Stunning. Cool. Do you reckon you can do 5 minutes of video just there? Are you going to be comfortable enough to just slowly move around?
Yeah, I
Right,
think so.
let's give it a try.
Okay.
So, but you can start here, and if you feel like I want to drift around, I'm sick of this corner, I want to go to that corner, or you want to get on that couch,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
So just have fun, have play. But just remember, you're trying to project your thoughts into the
Yeah.
camera, and then don't be scared to take a little break and reset and come back. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. Stunning, stunning, that's really pretty. Now you can do whatever you like from there. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. Beautiful, that look away is really pretty. Slow it down though, so do it again. Just look at me and then softly just turn around and then look out to the...
Okay.
Cool, and just slowly look out. That's it, that's beautiful. Right, you came back way too quick.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. That's much better. Keep a little then. Yeah, nice, nice. Stunning, stunning. Stunning, that's really pretty. Cool. That's really pretty. I like you coming in and looking at your dog. Your dog's just sitting here wagging its tail. That's better. See, it's easy to, yeah, that's really much better. Yeah, cool, beautiful, beautiful. I like that a lot. Do a look away and then come back. Stunning, stunning, stunning. That's pretty, that's really pretty. That's stunning, stunning. Keep it you though. That's better, that's really pretty. Cool, cool, cool. So much better. See, it's dumb, silly props do the best. Anything that makes you feel cool. Cool, that's really nice, that's really nice. There. Pretty, nice, gorgeous. That's really pretty. Nice. Oh, she's getting it now. She's slowing it down. This is really pretty. Really pretty. That's stunning, stunning, stunning.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did and you want to see some more, there'll be some more videos up on the screen now.